Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's flavor and enjoy our food with some green seasoning. Alright guys, so I figured I'd do an updated version of my green seasoning video. The one that I currently have on my channel is about a year old and I do things a bit differently, so I figured I'd give you all an updated version. So the ingredients are pretty much the same for the most part, excepting the parsley. So I have some scallions, also called green onions, some onion, 4 heads of garlic. I love garlic, so I always use a lot, but if you want you can cut down on the amount. I have a little bit of ginger here, some thyme, pimento, also known as allspice, and my Scotch Bonnet Peppers, which are optional. If you don't like spice, you can leave them out. So you can pretty much make this your own. If you have a favorite herb, you can add that in. Different persons do their different versions, but the ingredients that pretty much remain the same are the scallions, onion, garlic, and thyme. So for all my people who are not Caribbean and you're still not sure as to what the green seasoning is, it's a blend of fresh natural herbs that we use to season our dishes, especially meats, and it's very flavorful, or it adds a lot of flavor rather, and it's also very versatile. Basically everybody can use it, so whether you're a meat eater or a vegan or whatever diet you follow, you can use it to flavor your dishes. I always slice up my garlic pretty thin because even though it's a high-speed blender, ginger is very tough, so sometimes no matter how much you blend it, you still might end up with some chunks. So for the thyme, you just want to make sure that you get rid of most of the woody stems before you add them to your blender. This blender is pretty powerful, so whatever is left, it can break it down very easily. So I'm going to use a bit of olive oil to blend. You want to use a neutral oil, so like a vegetable oil or a canola oil, corn oil, or any one of those oils can be used as well. I used to use a little water to blend it, but I find that the oil holds it a little bit more after it's blended and the consistency is not so watery. So I'm using a high-speed blender, but if you have a food processor, you can use that as well. So I usually blend mine pretty smooth, but if you prefer, you can leave yours chunky. And I recommend storing in glass containers, and you can store it in your fridge up to 4 weeks or so. As long as your seasonings are fresh, it doesn't go bad easily. You can find the recipe in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And let's continue to grow to our first 1,000 subs. Let's all stay connected. All other socials are linked in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.